Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Michael. I'm Matt's little brother, so this is going to be my first appearance on the channel. So today I'm doing a Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy box opening, so let's get to it. If I can get this thing open. Yeah, just use some scissors. How about that? Alright. Oh my god. I really need a Draco sack right now. Alright, first pack. Let's see. Alright, we got King of the Fairlimps, Battle Boxer Glassjaw, Jewels of the Valiant, Bachi Bachi Bachi, no way, it's so rare! What is this card? Trifortress Ops. Oh, Mechaphanabee Stealth Ray, Shark Kraken, Legendary Atlantean Tridon, and Radius. Not that bad. Alright, let's see, we got a Bachi Bachi Bachi, Mind Drain, Parsec the Interstellar Dragon, Fire King Avatar Garunix, XYZ Revenge, not bad, Battle Boxer, Headgeared, Legendary Atlantean Tridon, Battle Boxer Sparrow, Dragon Carnation. Oh man, I was really looking for Dragon type monsters. Nah. Alright, let's see. We got Mermail Obitia, Fire Formation Kaio, Wolf, Burner, Battle Boxer Lead Yoke, meh. Blizzard Falcon, Steam Dragon Rule of Droplets, Spellbook of Miracles, and Mimic. Not quite as good as Bachi Bachi Bachi, but close. Let's see. Fire King Avatar Garunix, Mind Drain, Starfish, Brotherhood of the Firefist Wolves. Oh, another Lead Yoke. Ooh, Battle Boxer Star Cestus. Not bad. Battle Boxer Sparer, Battle Boxer Counterpunch, and Panther Shark. Still hoping for that Draco sack. Alright, let's see. Dragon Roller Sparks, Little Fairy Aurora Wing, Reactin, another XYZ Revenge, commons. Let's see, Magnum Shield, Kaio, Mermail Obitia, Parsec, Ice Beast Zero Fine, not bad. Shark Kraken, Legendary Atlantean Tridon, Radius, and Spellbook of Miracles. Did I just say Radian? I'm doing too much math. The Tatango, Kaio, Wolf. Ooh, Redox. Meh. It's going to be worth a lot less in a week. Battle Boxer, Shark Fortress, not bad. Brother of the Firefist Leopard. Battle Boxer, Switch Hitter, XYZ Block, Eagle Shark, Burner, Dual Barrel Roll. Just made a Mechaphanabee deck, so I might want that. Gaga Wind, Memory Loss, High Tide, another Stealth Ray. Burner, Dragon Roller, Magnum Shield, Kaio, Obitia, another Trifortress Ops, High Tide, Green Dustin, Battle Boxer, Headgeared, and Mimic. Yeah, I said that right that time. Alright, let's see. Brotherhood of the Firefist Wolf, little baby dragon. Bachi Bachi Bachi, no way! Mind Drain, number 69 Heraldry Crest, not bad. Keep on getting normal rares, but Leopard, Memory Loss, commons. Sunbreaker, Switch Hitter, XYZ Block, Eagle Shark, Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon, not bad. Madolche Knights, Aerial Recharge, I'm looking for this card, that's nice. Alright, put the super in there. Let's see. These are a little more organized. Alright, Battle and Box your Glass Draw. Whoa, King of the Feral Imps, no way. Starfish, Jewels of the Valiant, Big Whale. Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon, nice. Green Dustin, Battle and Boxer Headgeared, Mimic. Which I've never even seen a Tachyon Dragon before. It's pretty sweet. Starfish, Jewels of the Valiant, Brotherhood of the Firefist Wolf, another baby dragon. Wheel of Prophecy. I haven't seen any of the new prophecies lately. Radius, Knight, Shark, Shark Kraken. Five Brothers Explosion, Doto Tengu, Black Falcon, not bad. Little Fairy, Buffalo, Spellbook of Miracles, Battle and Boxer Spar, more Boxers, and Panther Shark. Another Mecha Phantom Beast, Aurora Wing, Magnum Shield, XYZ Block, Go 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 Gigas, oh, another Aerial Recharge, that's nice. Gaga Wind, another Knight, High Tide. Bachi Bachi Bachi! Oh my god! Can't believe I pulled 3 of those! Another Battle and Boxer, Fire Kings, oh, Tetherwolf, didn't just order 3. Pulled another Gyoku, Radius, another Aerial Recharge, Shark Kraken. Magnum Shield, XYZ Block, Battle and Box your Glass Jaw, King of the Feral Imps, Rhino, oh, an ulti, Rank of Magic Variance Force. Gotta read that later. Legendary Lanian Tridon, Memory Loss, Spellbook of Miracles. God, I really want a 4th Bachi Bachi Bachi. I heard he just went up to 6 actually, so. Star Adjuster, Eagle Shark, Five Brothers Explosion, Fairy Cheer Girl, oh, not bad. Headgeared, Tridon, Spar, Dragon Carnation, sweet. I love those dragons. Just kidding, I hate them. Come on, I've done a few, haven't even pulled the secret yet. Switch Hitter, Bachi Bachi Bachi! Glassjaw, Garunix, Altitude Knight, not Attitude Knight. Hysteric Sign. Oh man, a Harpy card. Wow, maybe I'll run Harpies. Not. Some more commons. Dodo Tengu, another Black Falcon, Little Fairy, Summon Breaker, another Tetherwolf, Torrential Reborn, Water Monsters, these suck. Shark Fortress, Leopard, and Ta Knight. How many damn Ta's are on this thing? Whoops, we got one. Battle and Box Counterpunch, Eagle Shark, Brothers Explosion, Dodo Tengu, Burner, another Fairy Cheer Girl, more Baby Dragons, Spellbook of Miracles, and Mimic. Glassjaw, Jewels of the Valiant, Bachi Bachi Bachi, Five Brothers, Rhino, Constellar Omega, not bad. Panther Shark, Abyss Scale, another Battle and Boxer. Mermill, Obisia, Kaio, Little Fairy, Rise Bell, another Buffalo, Radius, another Aerial Recharge, Shark Kraken, and Blizzard Falcon. Last pack. Come on, man. Hoping for the Draco sack here. Haven't pulled a secret yet. Maybe I have. Little Fairy, Aurora Wing, Little Baby Dragon, another King of the Feral Imps, Altitude Knight, Constellar Sombre. That's what I'm talking about. I'm looking for that card. Battle and Boxer, Counterpunch, another Baby Dragon, and Sonic Warrior. That was not bad. It was alright. I mean, didn't get the Draco sack, but let's see. I'm going to go back through, see what we got here. So you got a Battling Boxer, Lead Yoke, XYZ, Revenge, a Sombre, nice, Hero Recharge, looking for that, another Buffalo, Constellar Omega, Hysteric Sign, Rank Up Magic Baron's Force, number C or CXYZ, a Gyoku, another Arrow Recharge, another Tetherwolf, another Arrow Recharge, Wheel of Prophecy, Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon, this looks interesting. Madolche Knights, probably get some trades for that. Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. Hero Recharge, Heraldry Crest, it's pretty nice. Triforce Tresops, Dual Barrel Roll, Dragon Ruler. Ice Beast Zero Fine, this is actually a pretty underrated card. XYZ Revenge, Battling Boxer Star Cestus, not bad. And another Lead Yoke. Alright, well, that was pretty good. So, oh yeah, I also got a, let's see, Torrential Reborn. Pretty nice. So, alright, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you watch more Arcane Cavern. Alright, see you guys later.